This video is for illustrative purposes only. It is intended to demonstrate the ease and speed of assembly and disassembly of Obexion Max shipping crates. Please refer to the individual packaging instructions for your specific crate for details on how to help ensure safe and compliant assembly and disassembly. Obexion Max is DGO's new line of collapsible crates designed specifically for transporting large format batteries. Here's how to assemble the Obexion Max collapsible wooden crate and store your battery for shipping. Let's begin by removing the top panel. Next, take one of the sides and align the tab inserts into the base. Now, let's secure the panel. You'll need to access one of the black clips from your assembly kit. As part of Obexion's clip lock system, each clip has a short and long leg. Insert the short leg of the clip into one of the open slots on the panel. Then, apply pressure to snap in the long leg. If the clip doesn't easily line up, simply flip it and snap it into place. Continue to work your way around each side, aligning each panel into the slots, and secure them with the clips. Before clipping in the final side, place and open the black bag inside the crate. Then insert your battery inside the bag. Fold the excess material over the battery to close. Now, gather the two ratchet straps from your assembly kit. Simply hook the straps into the four corner clips on the base and tighten the straps. They should be tight enough to prevent the battery from moving. You're almost done. Just a few more quick steps. Place the final side panel into the base. Put the lid on top and engage the tabs. Use the remaining clips to secure the top of the crate and properly label and mark the crate with the label found in the assembly kit. Your Obexion Max crate is ready for its safe, compliant journey. Need to disassemble your Obexion Max crate? It's a snap! Within the assembly kit provided, there is a blue clip removal tool. Place your hand over the tops of each of the clips and twist to remove. Simply do that for each of the clips and you're done. It's that quick and easy. Want to learn more? Visit labelmaster.com/Obexion-Max.